Do you know? Amazon is the most visited online marketplace globally. Amazon's retail e-commerce sales worldwide will reach $729.76 billion in 2022. Are not the numbers compelling enough? Doesn't it make you want to start a multi-vendor marketplace like Amazon? Well, if it does, here's how you can create an Amazon-like e-commerce website. Define products for your potential customers. Analyze trends, opportunities, and challenges in your market niche. Determine the type of marketplace you want to create, horizontal or vertical. Choose a platform to host your marketplace website. Decide a unique yet simple domain name. Carefully pick a color theme and design to complement your store. Add attractive customer-centric features like one-click ordering, easy checkout, and many more there. Ensure plugin must-have seller features, easy product listings, bulk uploads, and many others. Add multiple secure payment and shipping options. Run a quality assurance test to ensure smooth functioning of all aspects. Launch and promote your Amazon-like online marketplace. And with that, you will be done. And if this made you want to start an Amazon-like online business, visit the website to learn more about our enterprise solution. Discuss your project prospects with our experts only at www.CedCommerce.com.